What does that mean now? Band pass box. How many batteries you got here?
We got 2 high-powered RMS amplifiers.
This is the whole new setup that we've completed.
Yeah.
I do camping.
But you can't take this in a camping ground because
The other day you back in the town?
back in the town, 8 12-inch subwoofers in a caravan. Look at this. So today we're doing a build video and we're here with Alistair. Who you guys? I'm Luka. You? Luka. You met him. We went to that luxury estate, that golf estate in Hillcrest one.
Hillcrest, Cotswold Downs?
Cotswold Downs. And you saw the houses that he was building over there, right? And we also did a vlog as well in the car. We were talking about you and how you started, and you know you're very inspiring. But you did mention something about you have a hobby.
Hobby, boy.
Right? So this is your hobby.
This is my hobby.
Now, I met you at, was it the Butler Ranch car
So
show?
when we first met up there at the Butler Ranch, we had 4 12-inch subs. Remember the first 7?
That time it was 4.
There is 4.
Let's just go and check here.
Yeah.
It was 4 at the bottom, am I right?
Yeah, 4 at the bottom there.
In the bottom, this is like in a straight line.
Straight line there, man.
And now I see it as 8. So what inspired you to buy this caravan?
So basically, you know, as we discussed before, you know what, this is more for leisure things. You know, the guys go out together.
Yeah.
We all sit together, we're talking nonsense as normal, you know.
Yeah,
the guys
right,
talk
right.
nonsense. So this when you're parking, you're having a couple of drinks with your friends over there, all this socializing here. We got some loud music over here. Also for the neighbors to complain.
Do your neighbors complain?
Oh, boy, the fuck got us now. There's no more complaining now.
Yeah. Now,
So, yeah.
so you bought this thing last year?
Yeah, we did buy it last year, but in fact it was the year before that. We gutted everything down.
Yeah.
We put a whole complete new floor inside over there. It's aluminium floor that we have designed over there.
Okay.
Yeah, you can see that's all that, and we've got special boards inside there that's waterproof and all.
Right.
So if any boards get wet, we can just replace them. And it's quite easy. Remember, Caravan is not very waterproof.
Yeah.
So remember, it's outside. We can take it outdoors and do a lot of marketing with it. So
Right,
yeah,
right.
from the last time we really.
Now let's step inside here to talk me what you did, yeah? Hey, it's nice and higher too. Oh, this thing goes up.
It still, yeah, it does go up.
Yeah.
In fact, it's not up 100% now.
Okay.
Yeah, we need to increase it more higher.
Right.
But from the last time that you saw it, we've taken it, everything gutted again. We still got our studio couch that's going to go inside. We have our recliners inside there.
Where are you gonna put your recliner?
We've got a double recliner in the back. We've got a single recliner down over here. We've got a fridge, our bar to go inside over here.
Okay.
There's 2 fridges inside over here, so basically that.
Hey, you like your fridges, huh?
The ice cold stuff. You know,
The ice cold stuff.
So yeah, this is the whole new setup that we've completed. I'm actually very excited about it. I haven't heard it as yet. Mr. Vhonz from
Mr. Vhonz, he's the one installing this thing.
Vhonz, let's see him outside. He's still busy connecting.
He's under pressure, yeah?
He's very under pressure. So
Hello, sir. How are you?
Alright, and you?
Luka. So you're the one doing this amazing installation, yeah?
Yes, I am.
Right. Can you tell me what's going on over here?
Okay, so we got 8 subs. We got 2 high-powered RMS amplifiers to run that 8 subs.
Right. What's a fan going on? Yeah, can you hear something here?
So you see the both amplifiers has a fan.
Okay.
This is the charger to charge the
remember, we got electricity in this one, yeah?
battery.
Yeah.
Remember with the Caravan, it's normal like the way you got alternator in a normal car where you can
Yeah.
charge things. We had to get more technical behind it. We got the Pro Charger from Tata, which Mr. Somers does from Somers.
Okay.
KDG trading. So he does all.
So
this.
that's basically the AC
This-
AC power from.
Yeah, that will come straight from electricity and then
Yeah.
it charges up batteries over here. So those.
Hey, how
charge
many
up-
batteries you got here?
In fact, we got 5 here. There's only 3 at the moment here that's on now.
Oh, because you're all plugged there.
It's the yeah.
I can connect my computer and all that.
Connect anything, man.
I'm gonna move in, yeah? I'm gonna turn this whole caravan here to my living room.
Time for the TV.
Playing games, yeah.
Okay,
Right.
so we are running 8 subs here, right?
Yeah.
2 amplifiers, so 4, right?
Which one?
So this ground zero amplifier.
Yeah.
And amplifying that is.
So this is 8,000 RMS.
Yeah.
And this one is 8,500.
Oh my god. So these are running 4 and 4.
4 and 4, yes.
Right, and those two there are for all the mids and everything.
Yes, so these are this is a GSP. So that one there to works with Bluetooth. So
Okay.
you can control everything off your phone.
Short.
So you don't even actually.
So you got like an app or something
Yeah.
to control the stuff.
Yeah,
We
it's
can do
a
it from cell phone.
Yeah.
Everything's done from cell phone.
Bluetooth. Yes.
All right. Now, quick question now. How you learned how to do all this?
I've been doing it from childhood. I had a good hand for it. I learned slowly.
Yeah.
I worked at the companies also, but this is my passion.
Okay.
So I like doing sound
You do this full time now?
full time, yeah.
How many years?
Now it's about 15 years.
What? True. And the quality of the work, I can see
One
it.
of the best guys that I've got is actually one international one. Last year for best sound installation of the year.
Wow, which
So on social media, right? So there was a platform. So I got all whoever that I done installs for, they all voted for me. So I
Okay.
got first, yeah.
Okay, congrats, bro.
Yeah.
No, luck. What you
In
trading
this-
as?
Vhonz Audio and Visual.
Vhonz Audio and Visual. Well, there you go. You can connect with Vhonz
I'm
Audio
based
and
on the
Visual.
Bluff.
Based in the Bluff. He does some lacquer workmanship here on this caravan. It's called. Caravan is the mundi bus.
So also
Caravan is the mundi bus. I'ma get this right because hey, they always come here and they school me. I get schooling online for not knowing and whatnot. But I don't care anyway.
So then, Callan, can you please put on the smoke machine over there? Just give
So, Kellen, you operating the DJ machine, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tiny DJ there.
You, how many gigs now you already did now with the DJ machine?
A lot. I did a lot of them.
I thought you were gonna say this is the first one.
No. I did too many.
So what's your job now? Your job is to put the
run
TV.
sound, I control all the mids, the subs, the
Right.
tweeters, the amps. I'm in charge of
Record
that.
clips.
Always
Okay.
demos and stuff. I always do.
Shot.
That's for me. That's my job.
Okay. You also have a passion in
Yes, I always had a passion for subs and
so, lacquer. This come from going to all the car shows.
Yes, all the passion.
You see how inspiring you guys are that you attend the car shows with all your birds. There's a young man here, he's 15, 16 years old.
16 years.
And you guys are inspiring him. You know what I mean? So keep doing what you're doing. You got a special laser, yeah? You said you can program this thing.
Yeah, basically that laser you can program is about 14,000 rand. We've got that new laser.
So you can put like window world and all that.
You can
So-
put you write anything on your app, it's controlled from your app.
Oh, right, okay.
So basically, once you control those things over there, you can just put whatever. No, I haven't set it up nicely because I'm so busy doing that.
Yeah. How many moods you got, Joe?
You got
You got 4 6x9s.
Yes. 4 6x9s and 2 tweeters.
Right.
So we got 8 in total.
Right.
4 tweeters.
What's inside here now?
That was actually going to be like a
Stash.
it wasn't a
keep
stash.
your
Like,
cup.
actually, basically, that was supposed to be another where I put my projector screen inside of there. Remember, I originally wanted a projector screen on it. But the LCD TV is going to be working nice. It's got a 75-inch over there that's going to go inside of there.
Sure.
That'll be hooked up to your PlayStation 5, your Xbox, everything.
Yeah,
inside of
yeah,
there.
yeah.
So when the kids really do camping, or
Yeah.
do camping,
But you can't take this in the camping ground because
I did try.
yeah,
I did take it.
and you play the sound in the campground, how they chase you.
One time.
You don't get a fine now.
So Vhonz over here, he has developed a special, it's called a band pass box.
Okay.
This box is costing time and effort over about 2 weeks, I'll call it.
Yeah.
That he's putting his time and effort in it.
Band's pass box.
Jump inside, yeah. Band pass box.
What does that mean now? Band pass box.
Okay, you see inside it's just not a normal box that has the ports.
Yeah.
So is basically inside the box there is a band pass. So the air travels between 2 layers
Yeah.
and comes out here and comes out to the middle. And each side has corners, so the airflow is straight. So there is
Right.
no disruption with airflow.
Wow.
So this
Okay.
box is tuned from 35 hertz to about 45 hertz. That's very
Okay.
low bass. With very low
So to
bass,
give you that low dragging.
is stiff bass where it'll hit you
Oh.
straight in your
Stuff
in
space.
your chest. Yeah.
Right. So now when you play this thing, they hear you like 2 kilometers away.
Even maybe more.
Maybe more than 2 Ks. Yeah. Okay, so does it take like a lot of design work and stuff to
Yes, yes.
develop a box like
Yes,
this?
it's not a normal simple box that you can buy from a shop.
Right,
This
right.
is a proper custom box tuned specific for this vehicle.
So what type of people normally order these band pass boxes?
So this is not many, cause see like now in like cars, so you are only putting 2 subs.
Yeah.
Not okay. Only on a rare occasion you're getting cars that are putting 4 subs and stuff like that,
Right.
because of the space. So when we are building the boxes, we have to look at the frequency about the sub. Like if the sub plays at 20 hertz, plays at 30 hertz, plays at 40 hertz. So we have to basically tune the box for that specific sub.
Okay.
So it's not like you just building a box, a square box,
Yeah,
it takes a lot of work and a lot of time. And there's a lot of resin in the box, so there's no flex.
Right.
Yeah. So this is a proper solid box.
Alright, tops. How much it weighs?
So basically, that box with me and Vhonz with the calculation, it's almost about 6 sheets of 2 meter 440 by 1830 of wood. So you've got 6 sheets of wood in that box.
Right.
A lot of weight in it. I remember I had to rebrace the entire chassis, rebrace everything.
Oh, you had to do some customization on the chassis as
I
well.
had to rebrace the entire chassis. I don't know what sound they do vibrate a lot, so we have to rebrate, recalibrate everything, and stiffen up everything, make sure that everything is 100%. So yeah, Vhonz has done a terrific job. I'm not gonna lie to you. If you ever need any application, that's the man. That is the man. That is.
Thank you, sir,
Thank you.
So,
for your amazing job.
amazing journey that we have started now. I don't think this is going to be the end of the world. Hopefully not.
You got more. You got more. What you planning to
We've
do?
got a new project that we got on board
Okay.
soon. Soon to unveil. But this a chill out spot. We call this a chill out spot. Sometimes we're just sitting here on chairs over here.
Yeah.
Just relaxing outside here, listening to Eat Sweat or KDG
Yeah.
or some old school numbers and yeah.
Some shy.
Some shy.
I'm
Can
still
you-
waiting for the
Guys,
shy.
can you put us a demo there, please? And let's see how this is going.
Whole thing is rattling here. Neighbors are sweating. Things are happening. That was absolutely crazy. Yeah, welcome to the video, guy. Welcome. So nice to see you, man. Hey, are you drinking Fanta all day? Yeah. Alright, no, guys, that was such an amazing experience. That was absolutely mind-blowing.
I think this
We
is the
got-
first installment of what we've got to show you.
Right.
We still got more to showcase with you guys over there.
Right.
There's much more bigger builds that we're going to be doing. There's only a leisure build that we have started.
Yeah.
The next build is where we bought Kellen a new car,
Okay.
and then we're going to start building that after.
Do you want to talk about what car?
It's a surprise. It gets all
It's a
age.
surprise.
It gets a surprise.
Alright. We're surprising. But anyway, whoa. Yeah. I'll take you to a car show. No, not the car. This Caravan.
Definitely.
Yeah, this is actually going to be the car show.
Alright. So make sure you check it out. The car show's coming up. Next, Mr. Alistair.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. It's been a
brother.
pleasure.
Blessings,
It's
brother.
amazing to see this, yeah.
Yeah.
And until the next one.
Definitely. Mr. Vhonz, come here.
Mr. Mon is very busy.
Mr. Vhonz, thank you very much for this build over here.
Yeah.
I think this
Thank you.
build over here will show people what your talent is. I think this guy here has got a lot of potential in him.
Yeah.
One of the best installers that I ever came across was the Vhonz Audio. Thank
Sure.
you.
Luka, brother.
Okay.
Right, if you guys liked this video, make sure you click the subscribe button, put the comments there, let us know what you'll think about the sound going on over here. Maybe you want to give your opinions, what other subwoofers they can use, what other amplifiers they can use. But you can see the O is graphing his thing. My name's OG.